Hey guys, welcome back to my nail obsession. So today we're gonna be doing some shorter nails. I haven't done like a pair of short nails on this channel yet, so we're gonna do like some short like coffin taper square nails, and the theme for this week is neon. So I'm starting with this neon orange by Glame and Glitz. It's called Popsicle. All the links for everything will be down below, but I'm starting out with this, and I have my Harmony nail forms. So also I'm sculpting in this video. I usually don't sculpt because it's not my strong point, and I do prefer tips. They're faster, but today I decided to switch it up and do some forms today. So we're doing some Harmony forms, and I'm just putting that popsicle on my nails. I didn't do a clear coat first because I do have my peel off latex coat on my hands, so it's not gonna stain my hands or anything like that. But if you feel more comfortable, I would say if you're doing this on a client, to put a thin layer of clear acrylic down first, and then put the color on there, just to make sure that you do not stain your client's nails or your nails if you're doing your own nails and keeping them on. But for the purposes of this video, since I am just peeling them off right after I do them, I am not put a clear coat of acrylic down. So I'm just putting this popsicle color down. It's by Glame and Glitz. I don't know if I said that already. I love Glame and Glitz powders. Like, they're my favorite. They are actually, I think, more expensive online than they are at my local beauty supplies. So I prefer to get them from my local beauty supply. They're only $5 for the color acrylics, and they're $12 for the cover colors. So I prefer to get them from my local nail supply, and I would suggest that if you have a local nail supply, just look and see if they sell Glame and Glitz before you go online and buy it from off their website, because they may have it cheaper at your local nail supply. If you do not have a local nail supply, then go ahead, if you really want the color, to order it online, and I link the products on their website down below. So yeah, I have been thinking about themes that I'm gonna do, because I decided to have a direction, because a lot of the times when I'm trying to do videos, I can't think of what type of nails to do. So it unmotivates me to film, and then I delay film, and then the videos are delayed going out. So what I've decided is, because I film on Mondays and Tuesdays, and then I upload on Tuesdays and Wednesdays right now. That's the schedule that works best for me right now. So like a couple days before, maybe on Saturday or Sunday, I just think of 2 themes that I narrow it down to, and I'm trying to make it a habit to think of 2 themes that will be for the upcoming week. I do a poll on Instagram, so if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, so that you can see my polls and you can vote on what theme you want to see for the week. So my Instagram will be linked down below, and it's also in the corner at the top on the video. So make sure you go follow me there so you can see the polls. I will upload the polls probably like every Saturday or Sunday, and just see what wins before Monday. But the reason why I do that is because I need to know what I'm gonna do so that I stop wasting time trying to figure out what kind of nails I'm gonna do, and it gives me like some kind of direction, you know, some kind of direction, you know, of what I'm gonna be doing for the week, what I'm gonna be filming, so that it like eliminates the headache or whatever. So if you are a beginner nail YouTuber and you don't like know what to do or what people will watch, try doing polls on Instagram with like different themes and see kind of what people like, and then just come up with things of your own, because I think it's important to film what people will watch and what people want, what people like, but also I think sometimes it's important to do something that you like and you enjoy, so that you can have a lot of fun doing the videos and they'll showing your work. So that's kind of what I've been doing, a balance of the two, and it's all about the balance, and I've been liking it so far. These past couple weeks I've been doing themed weeks and I've really been loving it, and it's really been fun. So that's just a suggestion what I'm doing and why you guys see like the same kind of videos each week, and then it switches up every week. So this week is neon week, and these are some neon orange nails, and then later on in the video I'm gonna put some flames on there. So I just really like the neon trend that's been going on for a while. I think that I'm all here for it. So before summer ended, I definitely wanted to get some neon in my channel. Last week I did Femo week. I love the Femo trend that's going on as well. I'm just obsessed with it. It's just like it's just so fun. And if you don't know what Femo is, it's like if you ever see like those strawberry drink nails or those fruit nails and stuff like that, those little rubber pieces are called Femos. So I did some lemon lime nails and some dragon fruit nails on my YouTube channel last week, and I'll link those down below as well if you haven't seen them. But I had so much fun last week with that Femo theme, and I just decided that I'm gonna do themes from now on. And also comment below and tell me what kind of nails you maybe would like to see me attempt and see me do, because I'm all open for suggestions. Like, coming up with themes is good, but you guys' suggestions is even better. That like eliminates more the work for me, and it gives you guys what you want as well. So if you have any suggestions or any themes or any videos that you want to see, go ahead and comment down below, and comment down below anything about nails or anything like that. I love to interact with you guys. I love to talk to you guys, and I want to interact with you guys more. So go ahead, leave a comment down below. Yeah, so basically now I'm just doing a clear overlay over the nails. I've taken off the forms, and I'm just covering up that color with clear acrylic. Some people don't do this, but I love to do this because I get file happy, and I file a whole lot, and as you can see, these will need a lot of filing. So I don't want to file away the color, so I put a clear whenever I'm doing acrylic, color acrylic or ombres or anything like that, I like to put a clear coat of acrylic on top so that I do not mess up my work when I'm filing. So some people don't do that. Some people are pros, but I am not there yet. So that's what I do. Now I'm putting on, I had cut out some flame decals from Nails by Deidre. She is on Instagram. She has a shop. I will link her Instagram down below. But I'm just putting these on my last two fingers, my pinky and my ring finger. And I think it adds a nice touch to it. And it adds just, it's like a fuego type of thing, neon thing. I'm loving them. And then what I'm gonna do is just top coat. Now I forgot to mention I filed like my life depended on it off camera, so these nails are filed and buff, and I'm just adding a top coat on the nails. Now you can encapsulate those flames, and I actually do suggest that you put the decals on, put a top coat on it, cure, and then put a clear acrylic on top of it so it'll stay more and it'll look better. But for the sake of the video, since I'm not keeping it on, I just put it on the top and then I secured it with top coat. So I didn't encapsulate it, but I do recommend that you encapsulate it after you put a layer of top coat and cure in it. But I'm just top coating it in this video. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just putting it over the flames just to secure it, make them shiny and whatnot. I love these flames. They look so good on top of the orange. I really love these nails. I enjoyed doing them. And here is the finished product. I really had so much fun doing these. I really like them. They're short but sweet, and they still got a lot of attitude even though they are short. So it goes to show that you don't have to have long nails to have some attitude to them. You can have short, medium nails and they be full of drama too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.